Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love.
Oh no. We are on our way.
We are on the way.
We had one there.
lot.
Yes, we're going to the bathroom. What's
I
happening?
almost hit something. I'm sorry, Si. I'm sorry. Hi.
Hey, got my shoes. Okay. Will is saving my sunglasses.
On your left, on your right.
This is Honeymoon Rock. We got this fire. Sai, what's your line?
You more kindling.
Will and Aiden are making the hobo packs. Anybody have an available hobo pack? Oh, there. Here's Aiden's hobo pack.
About to get some
It's looking a little lacking.
Yeah.
sausage or jalapeno in there.
There's some potatoes in there, dude.
Some potatoes,
Are you not a potato fan?
onions, bell peppers. Alright.
You gotta take a quick shot of
The hobo. Can we judge?
the marshmallow.
Yeah. Yo,
I think it's beautiful. Just like you.
What do you think?
that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my God,
It's fantastic.
this man.
It's so amazing.
All right, well, you win.
It's hot. Ooh.
Got some veggies.
Shout out to Will for making this hobo pack.
Don't show me out.
Why not?
Because it will be mid.
You guys are like right next to the coals. You good?
Pretty good. Best hobo pack I've eaten.
Dang.
High praise.
Is it recording?
Oh my god.
God thank you. Wanted to go to bed.
We're hiking. Morning.